Kinderini cookies. It smells like a chocolate shortbread cookie. What do they like? Shortbread cookies with delightful features and the familiar taste of Kinder. That's what it says on the back of the bag. Dude, it has chocolate, you can't have it. I actually like them. I feel like the only thing that could make this better is like, it's so fat. It's got like a Hershey's bar and marshmallows make a s'more out of like in between them. Yeah, I feel like shortbread cookies and like chocolate shortbread cookies. That's pretty solid. We got this from some Safeway. I don't remember how much it was because my sister surprised me with it. So I love you, but I can't share with you. I'm sorry. You look very cute doing the sniffies. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, it's kind of hard to aim when you're looking at the camera. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little boy. I love you. I'm going like that. I'm so pitiful. I'm so pitiful, Auntie Zilla. I just want my belly rubbed. And I just want cookies. Will you want to share them with me? The side. He's giving out. I picked it up on the camera. Anyways, fantastic. These are good. Solid 8.5 out of 10 for me. Like I said, I just want to be fat and have like it's s'mores with them. The chocolate marshmallow floof or whatever, or marshmallow and melon. Amazing. Anyway, yeah, they are indeed crunchy and fun.